Have you ever caught yourself daydreaming about what life would look like if money wasn't so tied to the hours you worked? Like, imagine waking up, making coffee, and realizing you just earned a couple of $100 while you were asleep. That's the dream, right? The reality is it's not just a dream anymore. More and more everyday people, not just billionaires or tech geniuses, are figuring out ways to create income streams that keep flowing whether they're working or not. We call it passive income, but I like to think of it more as freedom money. And before you roll your eyes, let's get one thing straight. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It usually means you front-load the effort, sometimes weeks, months, or even years of work, and then, eventually, the money keeps dripping in with less and less effort. Some streams are small, some are big, and some can even change your entire financial life. Today, I want to walk you through 7 realistic passive income ideas. Not the win the lottery type, not the become a TikTok celebrity overnight type. I'm talking about stuff that real people, you, me, your neighbor, can actually do to bring in an extra $1,000 a month. And I'll sprinkle in some stories along the way so you can actually picture how these things work. Let's dive in. 1. Rental properties, even if you're not rich. I'll start with the one everyone's heard about, real estate. But here's the twist. You don't need to buy a 20-unit apartment building to make rental income. One of my friends, Sarah, actually started small. She bought a 2-bedroom condo, lived in one room, and rented out the other on Airbnb. Her mortgage was $1,200. By charging $75 a night and booking just half the month, she was already covering her mortgage plus making a couple of $100 extra. Now, maybe you don't own a home yet. That's okay. There are other ways into this game. House hacking. Rent out a spare room or basement. Short-term rentals. Platforms like Airbnb or VRBO can make a regular apartment more profitable if local laws allow it. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Don't want to deal with tenants? You can invest in REITs through apps like Fundrise. That way, you own a slice of real estate without unclogging anyone's sink. 2. Digital products. Your knowledge on repeat. Think about something you know how to do really well. Maybe it's baking sourdough bread, organizing closets, or managing social media ads. Whatever it is, there are people out there who would pay to learn what you already know. And instead of teaching one-on-one, which is trading time for money, you package it once and sell it over and over. My buddy Marcus is a guitar teacher. He used to teach lessons in person for $40 per hour. Then, during lockdown, he decided to film a course called Learn Acoustic Guitar in 30 Days. He put it on Udemy for $99. Within a year, thousands of students had bought it. He wasn't a millionaire, but he was consistently pulling in $1,500 to $2,000 per month without leaving his living room. 3. Dividend stocks. Let your money work. Harder than you do. If you've ever thought investing in the stock market was only for Wall Street types in suits, think again. With apps like Robinhood or Vanguard, you can invest with as little as $5. Dividend stocks, specifically, are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits every quarter. Imagine owning part of Coca-Cola and getting a check every 3 months just for holding onto it. Here's a quick example. If you invest $20,000 into a basket of solid dividend-paying stocks that yield 6%, you'll earn about $1,200 a year, or $100 a month. That's just the start. Reinvest those dividends and suddenly your snowball grows faster. 4. Affiliate marketing. Sharing what you already love. You know how you recommend your favorite Netflix show or that new coffee brand you're obsessed with to your friends. Affiliate marketing is basically that, but you get paid for it. Companies give you special links, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. My cousin started a simple blog about fitness gear. Nothing fancy, just honest reviews about shoes, resistance bands, and protein powders. He sprinkled in affiliate links from Amazon. At first, he made like $30 a month. But after a year of consistent posts, some of them started ranking on Google. Now he's averaging $1,200 a month. Not bad for writing about stuff he already used. 5. YouTube channel, not just for teenagers. Let me tell you about Jenna. She's a mom of 3 who started a YouTube channel about meal prepping on a budget. At first, she felt awkward in front of the camera. Her first few videos barely cracked 100 views. But she stuck with it, uploading once a week. Fast forward 2 years. She has 120,000 subscribers and makes $2,500 per month from ads and sponsorships. YouTube isn't just entertainment anymore, it's a search engine. People are searching for tutorials, reviews, advice, recipes, and inspiration every single day. And once your video is out there, it keeps working for you for years. Jenna's first 7 Easy Meals Under $30 video still gets views and makes her money daily. 6. Writing a book without a publisher. Remember when publishing a book meant mailing manuscripts to a publisher and crossing your fingers? Those days are gone. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, anyone can publish a book and start earning royalties. One of my favorite stories is about a teacher who wrote children's bedtime stories during her summer break. She uploaded 5 short books on Amazon Kindle. Within 6 months, she was earning around $1,000 per month in royalties. Parents were buying them for Kindle and paperback, and she just had to sit back and watch it grow. 7. Automated side hustles. Set it and forget it. This one's a bit of a catch-all category, but it's worth mentioning. These are income streams where you set up systems, and then they run without constant effort. Some examples: print on demand, design t-shirts, mugs, or posters. Sites like Redbubble or Merch by Amazon Print ship and handle everything. You just collect the royalty. The truth about passive income. Here's the real talk. None of these are completely passive in the beginning. They all require either money, time, or creativity up front. But the payoff is worth it because they shift your relationship with money. Instead of saying, "I worked 8 hours, so I get paid," you start saying, "I built something once, and now it pays me over and over." Think of it like planting a tree. For a while, it's just dirt, water, and effort. Then one day, you've got shade, fruit, and something that keeps giving without asking much in return. Let's circle back to that daydream, waking up, sipping coffee, and realizing money rolled in while you were asleep. It's not magic. It's not luck. It's the result of planting those trees, whether that's a rental property, a YouTube channel, or a simple Etsy shop. You don't have to chase millions. An extra $1,000 a month could pay for your rent, cover your groceries, or let you finally take that vacation you've been putting off. And the best part? Once you prove to yourself that it's possible, you'll start thinking, well, if I can make $1,000, what's stopping me from making $2,000? Or $5,000? The hardest part is starting. But once you start, the doors open. And hey, if you found this helpful and you want more stories, strategies, and practical steps on building your own freedom money, make sure to subscribe. Let's build this together.